Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enable grid view in Google Meet step by step on desktop in a web browser. Head to meet.google.com and join an existing meeting or create a new one. Once you're in the meeting, you'll see the main interface with video feeds and a control bar at the bottom. Look at the bottom toolbar. On the far right side you'll see 3 vertical dots. That's the More Options button. Click on it. If the control bar has hidden itself, just hover your mouse near the bottom of the screen and it'll reappear. When you click those 3 dots, a menu will pop up with several options. Find and click on Change Layout. This opens up a layout configuration dialog box. In the dialog, you'll see different layout options. Look for one called Tiled or Tiled Legacy. This is the grid view. Click on it to select it. The tiled layout shows everyone in a fixed grid without portrait cropping, and it becomes highlighted once you've selected it. At the bottom of that same dialog box, there's a slider labeled Tiles. This lets you choose how many participants you want to see at once. By default, it's set to 16 tiles, but you can drag the slider anywhere between 6 and 49. Just grab it and slide it to the number you want. The higher you go, the more people you'll see on screen at once. Once you're happy with your choice, close the dialog by clicking the Close button or just clicking outside the box. The dialog disappears, and your meeting view switches to the grid layout with everyone displayed in equal-sized tiles. Your layout preference is saved automatically, so future meetings will open with the same number of tiles you just chose. The maximum you can see is 49 people at once, as long as no one's presenting. If you ever want to switch back to the default auto layout, just repeat these steps and select Auto Dynamic instead of Tiled. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.